Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Hope you all are keeping safe. In my today's video, I'll be sharing with you all a beautiful 5-bedroom detached property. This is Jura from Miller Homes. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. It could be useful to you. This particular development site is located in North Leeds, which is an expensive area, because of which the property price has gone up. Also, there's a good access to the city center and also the Bradford airport. Now going with the floor plans, in the ground floor we have a garage, living room, kitchen with dining, utility and a clock room. On the first floor we have 5 bedrooms with the master bedroom and also another double bedroom having the ensuite facilities and a common family bathroom. Now as you enter the house, you'll find a spacious hall in front of you with various partitions made towards all the rooms in the ground floor and also staircase leading towards the upstairs. Now as usual, let's first explore the living room. This living room is coming towards the right side in the front. It's a beautiful living room with very good space. Towards the front end you're getting the wide bay window, and towards the back side you actually have access towards the kitchen and dining area. And in between they actually left it open. They didn't provide any door or anything. If you want, you can plan a curtain or just leave it open like this. Good amount of natural light is falling in the room through these bay windows in the front and also through the French doors from the other side. It's a nice lengthy room. At the same time you have good width. I also like the interiors done in this room. They're simple and attractive. The planning of the room is really good. You feel connected when you have these kind of living rooms leading towards the kitchen and dining space. Now moving towards the kitchen, dining and the family area. So just behind this living room you're getting this very big kitchen with dining space. Towards the other end you actually have the kitchen. In between you're getting the dining space, and towards the corner you can plan a small family space. You'll be getting 2 French doors here, one towards the family area and one in between the kitchen and the dining space. So you have garden access to these 2 French doors. A very wide and big garden you'll be getting with fence around it. The kitchen again, if you look at it, it's got its own space. You have a very big worktop which is covering all the 3 sides, and in this house for the first time I'm seeing the gas hob coming completely towards opposite side. Normally in all the houses we find the gas hob coming here in the middle with the exhaust on top, but in this house I'm seeing it towards a different corner, which is good for a change. Normally they give a basic worktop. If you want to upgrade you can go for the granite version. The basics which they normally provide also are really good. The exhaust, gas hob and the cupboards, at the bottom and even on the top. You're still getting a nice window towards the kitchen side, so good amount of light falls in here. So the integrated oven and the fridge and freezer are coming towards this side. Now just beside this kitchen you're getting the utility space. It's a nice utility area wherein you also have the garden access to the door here. So towards one side you're getting some cupboards at the bottom wherein you can plan the washing machine and dryer. The boiler also is provided here in this utility. And there's also a wash basin coming in here. So this is all about the kitchen and the utility space here. Now as you just come out of the kitchen, towards your left side you have the small storage space with door and lock again. And just opposite to this you're getting the clock room here in the ground floor. This is a fully tiled washroom. The space is quite okay. We covered all the rooms in the ground floor. Now let's move to the first floor and check out the rooms there. As I told you in the beginning, we have 5 bedrooms here with the master bedroom and also another double bedroom having the ensuite facilities and a common bathroom. So this is the master bedroom. This is one of the massive bedrooms which I've seen so far. Normally, if you have spacious rooms in the ground floor, you don't get much spacious bedrooms upstairs. But if you look at this master bedroom, this has got a really good space, both in length and width. A king size bed can fit in, and you have really good room space to walk around. You're getting two windows which are well planned so that natural light falls in the room. And towards the front end, there's good extension to plan the ensuite and also some extra space coming in the front. They actually gave the wardrobes towards this side, but if you look at the room, it's actually taking this extra space. If it was me, I would have planned this wardrobe in the front end, so that it would have gone inside the wall and it won't disturb the room space. Now this is the ensuite coming with the master bedroom. The space is really good in this bathroom here. You're getting the walk-in shower, there's water closet and sink, and there's also a window towards one side. This is fully tiled bathroom. Overall, a very beautiful and spacious master bedroom. Now, just as you come out of this master bedroom, towards one side you have another small room with door and lock, and inside you have the water heater. Now moving towards the second double bedroom of the house. This is a regular double bedroom. A double cot fits in and you have good room space to walk around. This has got ensuite as well. You're getting a nice window towards one end, so good amount of light and air movement in the room. Since you're getting an ensuite, you can actually use this as a guest room. The space is quite okay. Even towards the front end you have space to walk around. The wardrobe also is getting inside the wall, so it's not disturbing the room space. Now this is the ensuite attached. This is comparatively smaller than the master bedroom one. Actually, towards the left side, you're getting some kind of extension and the door is actually blocking the view. It's very important to have a proper door planning in a bathroom. Otherwise, the bathroom looks very small and inconvenient. So this is all about the second bedroom. Now let's move to the other bedrooms of the house. So just beside this second double bedroom, we are getting the third bedroom of the house. This is also kind of like a double bedroom. A double cot fits in and you have good space to walk around. There's a nice window coming towards one side, so again good amount of light and air movement in the room. This can be used as a kid's bedroom. Actually, they have planned a wardrobe here in the front, but if it was me, I would plan it towards the other side, wherein it can easily get inside the wall without disturbing the room space. So this is all about the third bedroom. Now two more bedrooms are given towards the opposite side. The corridor space also is quite good here. So this is one of the bedrooms again, fourth bedroom, but they actually converted it as a study. If it's a small family with 1 or 2 kids, then you can actually convert the extra rooms into study or gaming rooms, workspace, anything you want to. So just beside this fourth bedroom, you're getting the family bathroom. The space is okay in this family bathroom. You're getting both the tub and the shower. There's a window coming towards one end. These square-shaped walk-in showers are really small. I sometimes feel they have to actually increase the size. It's not very comfortable for people to, use these showers. Now, just beside the family bathroom, you're getting the fifth bedroom of the house. This is again a double bedroom. A double cot fits in, and you have really good space to walk around. I felt this room size is comparatively bigger than the third and the fourth ones. Maybe because you're not getting any wardrobes towards the side. They actually gave a wardrobe in the front. So the space is given in length here. There's still a nice window coming towards one side, so good ventilation in the room. We covered all the rooms in this property. I really like the living room and the kitchen area, and also the master bedroom was outstanding. In the ground floor, we will be getting again a double garage, as I told you in the beginning. This was all for today. I hope you liked watching my today's video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button and feel free to activate the bell icon at the bottom so that you won't miss out on my future uploads. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in another vlog.